Hi everyone, this is my absent glance on Storybird. You can type this website address to your browser www.storybird.com. You can click on the blue button to sign up for free. Then you can fill out the form to create your user and password. Um, I'm going to introduce you to the Storybird website. It is an online collaborative storytelling platform website that is a visual illustration for a storytelling community who wants to put their creative writing into an engaging, beautiful, inspiring, and creative stories and moments. Anyone can make these amazing, creative, inspiring stories through illustration by uh, artists. And then you can get it published and share your story on social network or any bloggings. Um, you can go to the website on any computer. You can sign up for free, and it is free to use at no cost. However, the only cost is having the book published into a soft or hardcover, but there are different prices for every book, and it is guaranteed to be a good quality book. And here are some examples. This website can be used in many ways to enhance students' learning and to assist students develop their ideas. The usefulness of Storybird is that it can be used to do a lot of exploration and storytelling. Teachers can adapt lessons into their instruction by using this website in many ways that can make learning interesting, creative, fun, and lively for the students. Um, at any age, elementary or high school and college students can use the Storybird website to help create their own book by using beautiful, artful illustrations to bring out their imaginations through their creative writing and helps them to become motivated in reading and writing tasks. That student can um, print their book and publish it um, for a great accomplishment and also to keep the book. There are three different types of books that the student can create, such as like a long form book, picture book, or a poem book. Here are a few examples of what each book should look like when a student is creating one. And this is the picture book, and this is the poem book. The students can plan out a story by using the mind mapping strategies. The strategies of mind mapping is that it gives a visual design that can enable students to see the relationships between ideas and encouraging them to group certain ideas together as they proceed in the writing. Mind mapping works well in collaborative groups such as a discussion groups and on Storybirds. Teachers and students can give each other comments to inspire their making of their creative books. And Storybird is an effective learning tool and does provide opportunities for collaboration. Um, People of any age can use this website, and it is easy to use. It represents a collaborative environment in which students can create, edit, and share via online social network. Storybird supports inquiry learning by providing a platform for students' collaboration to share expression, responses, and views on each other's creative, inspiring books. I mean, this gives creative opportunity for students to engage, collaborate, build confidence, and increase students' satisfaction in their creative writing by using artful illustrations by artists. Um, that's it. Please go check out the Storybird website. You will be so amazed, inspired of all the student and teachers and other authors who created their own books. And you should use this in your own classroom. It's a great learning digital tool to engage your students to love reading and writing. Thank you everyone for watching.